Hi there, Paul here, and thanks for coming along on my latest trip. So today we're going to be flying on Alitalia from Rome to Cairo, which is a distance of 1,337 miles and a flight time of 2 hours and 52 minutes. And just a reminder, if you enjoy videos about travel, please consider clicking on that subscribe button. Also consider clicking on the bell so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I post a new video. This is Records Travels. Let's take a trip. So this trip began with what became an extremely crowded bus ride out to a plane parked on the tarmac. And the plane for this flight was a 21-year-old Airbus A321, and it definitely showed its age. The boarding process was rather chaotic because once everybody got off the bus, it was kind of like a scramble for the seats, and people boarded from both the front and the rear of the plane.
Devono essere riposti nello spazio sotto la poltrona di fronte a voi. Grazie. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard to this flight to Cairo Airport. To speed up boarding operations, we kindly inform you.
Signore e signori, buongiorno, benvenuti a bordo di questo volo Alitalia diretto al Cairo. Tenete all'impatto veloce scorrevole, i campanelli sopra i sedili sono riservate solo.
We actually wound up being delayed for well over an hour on the tarmac, and when they announced the reason why, it was because they had forgot to put enough fuel on the plane, believe it or not. But fortunately, they got that cleared up, and we were soon on our way to Cairo. And then about halfway through the flight, they did a meal service. And I have to say it was one of the worst meals I've had in a while. Not much to it, really basic. At this point now, we're starting to see the coast of Africa, coming off the Mediterranean, descending in above the desert, and then starting to get into the Nile River Delta as we get closer and closer to Cairo. So at this point, I'm just going to let you enjoy the footage of this mega city in the Middle East as we touch down on Flight 896 from Rome to Cairo. I will say that overall my experience with Alitalia was not that great. It did get me there, but it was definitely one of the worst flights I've had in quite a while, just in terms of the level of service, the food, the space on the plane, the delays. It was not the best experience. I would be curious to hear about your experiences with Alitalia. If you have flown them in the past, let me know if you had good experiences, bad experience in the comments below.